Hi students, thanks for joining me. We're going to talk for just a minute about continuous versus discrete pieces of information. To talk about continuous, we have an example. An example is, suppose the fire department mandates that all firefighters must weigh between 150 and 250 pounds. The weight of a firefighter would be an example of a continuous variable because the firefighter can weigh anything. He can weigh 150.5 or 150.2 or 175.3. Any decimal or any fraction between those two numbers is acceptable, and that's what makes it continuous. Another way to look at it is if you've got a graph, and let's say we're going to talk about the numbers between -5 and +5. Continuous means it's every single thing on this graph. Literally, I don't have to pick up my pen is what defines continuous, because every single point on here is included. On the other hand, when we talk about discrete, here is an example. Suppose we flip a coin and count the number of heads. The number of heads could be any integer value between 0 and plus infinity. Because plus infinity, technically you don't have to stop flipping the coin. However, it could not be any number between 0 and plus infinity. For example, it can't be 1.5. You can't flip a coin 1.5 times. Therefore, the number of heads is a discrete piece of information. Another way to look at it on a graph is you do have to pick up your pencil to identify each one of the numbers. Usually when it's discrete, you're just talking about the whole numbers between on a certain variable or on a certain interval. For example, if we were talking about the discrete numbers between -5 and +5, we would just be talking about the whole numbers. When you're talking about discrete information, you do